Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set check-in and check-out times on Airbnb. This is an essential step for managing your property and ensuring your guests know exactly when they can arrive and when they need to leave. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Airbnb app and look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see several navigation options there. Go ahead and tap on Listings. This will take you to a screen where you can view all the properties you have listed on Airbnb, giving you access to manage each one individually. Once you're on the listings page, tap on the specific listing you want to adjust the check-in and check-out times for. This opens up all the details and settings for that particular property, allowing you to make the necessary changes. Now, at the top of the screen, you'll see several tabs or options. Tap on Arrival Guide. This section is specifically designed to help you set up important information that your guests will need when they're planning their arrival and departure, making their stay smoother and more organized. Within the Arrival Guide section, tap on Check-in. This is where you'll be able to define the time window during which guests can arrive at your property. Setting clear check-in times helps prevent confusion and ensures you or your property manager can be prepared to welcome guests. Next, tap the Start Time option. A time selector will appear on your screen. Select the earliest time you want to allow guests to check in. For example, if you prefer guests to arrive after 3 p.m., you would select 3:0 p.m. here. This gives you enough time to clean and prepare the property between guests. If you need to specify an end time for check-in, you can also tap End Time and choose the latest time guests can arrive. This is helpful if you have specific availability or if you want to ensure someone is available to greet guests during a certain window. However, this step is optional depending on your preferences. Now it's time to set the checkout time. Tap on the time option under Checkout. Another time selector will appear. Select the time by which guests must vacate the property. Most hosts set this around 10 or 11 a.m. to allow enough time for cleaning and preparing for the next guests. Once you've configured both your check-in and check-out times to your satisfaction, look at the bottom of the screen and tap Save. This will apply all the changes you've made and update your listing with the new times. Your guests will now see these times clearly displayed when they book or review their reservation details. And that's it. You've successfully set your check-in and check-out times on Airbnb, giving your guests clear expectations and helping you manage your property more efficiently. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.